Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 6 how to post a video to Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application, sign on if we already haven't, go to the profile, click on this bottom arrow, and now click on add new post, and then have the video available that we are going to post. So before I would post the video, I would copy the title and now drag the video onto this box. Navigate to the thumbnail itself.
There you go.
Use current. Write a caption. Video title, a couple of tags, and now we are ready to post. This may take some time depending on your internet connectivity. Refresh the page once, twice, go to the profile itself. As you can now see, the video has successfully been posted to my Instagram profile. And how do we do that? An application called GRIDS for Instagram on the computer. Drag the video to the application. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.